Hello, I'm Professor Anil Heru and I head the Advanced Oncosurgery Unit, a concept developed by Fortis Hospitals to give uniform cancer care to patients all over the city. Our facility at Fortis Hospital Mulund exists from 2010, a comprehensive care developed to give all aspects of cancer therapy to patients. Fortis Hospital Mulund, a 350 bedded facility, boasts of an advanced radiotherapy unit, state-of-the-art diagnostics, and a comprehensive oncology daycare facility. Our oncosurgery unit boasts of a latest robotic surgery XI system as well as minimal access surgery technology to give the patients whatever is the best available in the world today. As we know, cancer is a diagnosis which requires many supports. Right from the time the patient walks in, we have a OPD which is designated for cancer patients, a diagnostic facility which boasts of radiologists who are trained to interact and to diagnose complex cancer issues, a 3 Tesla MRI and an advanced CT scan along with a PET CT scan all under one roof. It also has an advanced radiotherapy unit which has the latest Electa machine. It also boasts of an advanced daycare chemotherapy center where nurses are specially trained in order to give the proper doses in the proper way to patients in a caring and an empathetic manner. Our oncosurgical team is a complete multidisciplinary team trained to tackle the most complex oncosurgical problems. We deal with most complex thoracic procedures, colorectal procedures, GI malignancies, and hepatobiliary malignancies. We have orthopedic oncologists to deal with bone and soft tissue tumors. So it's the most comprehensive multidisciplinary approach which is required for cancer care today. On the academic front, we do have a DNB surgical oncology training program where young surgeons apply and get themselves certified for becoming surgical oncologists. We conduct training programs for surgeons from all over the subcontinent, countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Africa come to us for training in laparoscopic surgical oncology. Our dedicated surgical oncology team sees 4,000 cancer patients every year and does a minimum of 600 complex surgical procedures every year, including 100 robotic surgeries which we completed in the last 6 months. The goal of the Advanced Oncosurgery Unit is not just adding years to a patient's life, but also life to those years. Our treatment does not end at just the surgical knife. It is also rehabilitating the patients and making them feel confident enough to join the society as a productive member of that community. Hence, we have support groups which are very active and continue the rehabilitation of these patients and make them feel whole and complete and beat the dreaded cancer world.